everyone, this is Librarian Maggie with another fun craft for you. Today we are going to make an ornament. I know this is after Christmas now, but thoughts for next year, and maybe you'll hang this up anyway because it's more wintry. You'll just need one of these clear plastic or glass ornaments. You can get them at any craft store. Some fake snow, which I happen to have this left over from my last project. I got that at Dollar Tree. They sell it as well as the craft stores. Some snowman pieces. You can put whatever you want in here. If you want to add buttons and the hat, you can do that too. I'm trying to be a little more authentic to Olaf from Frozen. So I'm just going to use the stick arms and a carrot nose. I got a package of it on Amazon. It came with the hats, the buttons, and the noses come in 2 sizes. And I did just cut off the end. And then you will also need either a decal, which I cut this on my machine, or you can use permanent marker to write on it. Do a stencil, whatever is easiest for you. So I'm going to start with putting my decal on. I want to just make sure my transfer paper picks it up really well. If you're doing this, make sure that you wiped down your ornament too, so it has a nice clean surface to adhere to. This is a really simple project. It doesn't involve any glue, no sewing, none of that. It is, of course, a little bit difficult to put a decal on a rounded ornament. So you're just going to do it little by little if you happen to be doing it this way. If not, you can, like I said, use a marker. If you are a little more artistic than I am, you can paint it as well. And like I said, I'm doing this little by little, so it comes out right. And just go nice and slow. And there you have it. We've got our decal on there. Just make sure it's nice and stuck on, that you got every spot. And now you're going to remove your top. And we're going to drop some snow in. I am actually going to grab a paper towel here just in case I make a mess with the fake snow. You want to pour in a good amount, but not a ton that it's going to cover your snowman pieces. You don't really want those to get completely lost in your ornament. Okay, so I think that's a good amount. Just see whatever you like, and put in as much as you want. And then you're just gonna take your snowman pieces and just kind of drop them in, shake it up just a little. And replace your top. Just be very careful when you do it. And there you have it. All you have to do is add a hook or a ribbon. If you want, you can certainly add a bow to the top as well. I just went really simple on this. So I hope you have enjoyed this craft, and I will see you next week for another one.